Welcome everybody. Today we are chugging the new Sour Nova Primi. And for the new season, episode 1, season 1 of Feral Burping. All we do is chug stuff and try not to burp.
And try not to laugh too.
And spit it out.
Yeah.
So, here we go. 3.
You didn't say...
Done. I'm already done.
I spilled most of it on the damn chair. Look, no, wait guys, look at it.
Sorry.
Look at that. Look how much he spilt on the chair before we
Babe,
stopped.
you kicked me in the nuts.
No, I credit card swiped you. Right.
I just need to finish this now. I'm literally like the best chugger on the YouTube.
It's gonna come through my nose now.
Ow.
I think it's coming through my nose now. It actually happened to me once.
By the way, this is actually kind of dangerous, so you can choke.
I did
Finally. We're gonna end it there.